Hi, this is June Fernando from Ramfer Financials. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-RFF? I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. Marami pong nagtatanong sa amin kung ikaw ay isang konserbatibong investor, yung bang takot ka sa ups and downs ng equities market? Saan ba mas magandang maglagay ng pera ngayon? Sa nadidinig ba nating Pag-ibig MP2 savings? Or sa mga tinatawag na money market na mutual funds? Or simple lang sa mga savings accounts? And as with our previous topics, syempre dapat lang na-discuss muna natin ang ibig sabihin ng tatlong ito para rin po malaman natin kung talaga bang comparable sila in the first place. So, by definition, ang Pag-ibig MP2 or modified Pag-ibig 2 ay isang voluntary savings program offered by Pag-ibig Fund dito sa Pilipinas. It is designed for Pag-ibig Fund members who wish to save more and earn higher dividends than the regular Pag-ibig Savings program. Ang MP2 savings ay separate from what we are familiar with na Pag-ibig Savings. On the other hand, a money market fund is a type of mutual fund that invests in short-term and high-quality securities. Kabilang po dito ang mga tinatawag nating treasury bills, commercial papers, and certificates of deposits na may maturity na mga 1 year or less. Ginagamit ito bilang safe haven during volatile market conditions because they provide a stable place to park your cash. And syempre, alam na natin, ang savings accounts naman ay isang uri ng deposit account being offered to us by the banks that allow individuals to store money securely while earning minimal interest on the balance. At ngayon po na na-define na natin ang tatlong ito, malalaman natin na hindi pala talaga sila comparable na tatlo. Maganda rin pong inote natin na we're not comparing apples to apples here. Kasi nga po, technically speaking, ay hindi sila pare-pareho in nature. Pag-usapan pa natin ng mas maigi ito nang mas maintindihan pa po natin ang pagkakaiba ng tatlo. Now, let's take a closer look and see ang mga pagkakaiba nila. So, first on the list is in terms of number 1, its nature and objectives. Pag-ibig MP2 is a government-backed savings program offered in the Philippines. It is aimed at providing members with higher returns compared to traditional savings. It's especially attractive for individuals looking for secure investment options. Habang ang money market funds naman po, katulad nga ng nabanggit natin kanina, are mutual funds that invest in short-term debt instruments like treasury bills and certificates of deposit. They aim to provide good liquidity and modest income. While for savings accounts naman po, ini-invest ng mga bangko ang pera natin dito primarily in low-risk, liquid assets to ensure that they meet the withdrawal demands and comply with regulatory requirements. Malaki pong portion ng pera dito ay pinapahiram ng mga bangko in the form of personal loans and banks earn interest from these. And so the next one is number 2, which is sa aspeto naman ng risk level. Ang Pag-ibig MP2 ay kilala sa low risk profile nito, being government guaranteed, which ensures that the principal amount is protected regardless of economic conditions. On the other hand, ang mga money market funds naman ay mayroon din pong low risk, ngunit masasabing may mas kaunting level pa po ng exposure ito sa interest rate fluctuations and credit risk within the instruments that they purchase. Habang ang savings accounts naman are insured by the PDIC or the Philippine Depository Insurance Corporation, which protects the depositors up to 1 million pesos. And so the next one is number 3, which is patungkol sa returns and performances nila. At dahil required kang magstay longer, Pag-ibig MP2 also historically offered returns higher, which is ranging from 6% to 8% annually over the past few years. The dividends are derived from Pag-ibig Fund's income and they are guaranteed tax-free. Ngunit dapat alam nyo din na ang dividend rates ng Pag-ibig MP2 ay hindi po fixed for the whole term at maaaring magbago-bago kada taon ha. Sa kabilang banda naman, exempted from withholding tax din naman po ang mga tinatawag na money market mutual funds. Generally, they could provide you returns of around 1 to 3% annually. Syempre dahil po yan sa short-term nature nito at depende sa interest rate conditions and in the mix of its investments. And of course, katulad ng money market funds, dahil short-term din po ang nature ng mga tinatawag nating savings accounts, di ka rin po makakaasa ng kalakihang interest sa mga savings accounts. And so the next one is number 4, which is in terms naman po of its liquidity and accessibility. Kung kayo yung tipo ng investor na ayaw magpatali ng matagal na panahon, ang Pag-ibig MP2 ay di po para sa inyo ha, because Pag-ibig MP2 requires a bit of a commitment of at least 5 years. It also has limited liquidity, meaning you must wait for the term to end before you are allowed to access your funds without penalties. Pag naglagay ka ng pera sa Pag-ibig MP2, kailangan din pong ready ka talagang iwan ito ng 5 taon kasi makukuha mo lamang ito within that term. Otherwise, dapat willing ka ding ma-penalize in the form of not being able to receive full dividends or much lower earnings. Take note na ang pinapayagan lamang ng Pag-ibig for pre-termination without penalties ay ang mga kondisyon katulad ng total disability or insanity, separation from service due to health reasons, death of the member or any of his or her immediate family members, retirement, which is usually 55 years old and above, and critical illness of the member or any of his or her family members. For money market funds naman po, ang advantage nila ay they offer higher liquidity with easier access to your funds. Pwede kang mag-redeem ng shares mo or mag-withdraw anytime, any business day with very minimal or no penalties at all pa nga kasi mas maikli lang ang required holding periods nito at yung ilan pa nga ay wala at all pang mga fees, which makes it a more flexible choice over the Pag-ibig MP2 sa aspetong ito. And syempre, alam naman natin na pagdating sa savings account, ito ay easily accessible. Kahit saang bangko, kahit anong branch, kahit kailan. Di mo na kailangan pumunta pa sa branch mo mismo para makuha ang pera mo. Dahil anytime through an ATM machine ay makaka-withdraw ka na. And so last but not the least is number 5, which is in terms of its investment requirements and fees. There is no maximum cap for Pag-ibig MP2 but the minimum monthly contribution is 500 pesos. Affordable siya for individuals without any management fees. Sa kabilang banda naman, ang money market funds may require naman a bit higher initial investment from MP2 pero maliit pa din kung ikukumpira mo sa ibang instrumento dahil it starts from 1,000 pesos lamang. They also have minimal management fees dahil mas diversified ang mga investments nito, although hindi na natin ito ramdam, hindi na substantial kaya wala na ding impact ito sa net returns niya. Samantalang sa savings accounts, karamihan po ng bangko may require you a higher minimum initial opening amount of 5,000 pesos or higher pa nga in some commercial banks. At yan po ang 5 significant na pagkakaiba ng 3 konserbatibong investments na ito. All told, the choice between Pag-ibig MP2, money market funds, and savings accounts often boils down to personal financial goals, your risk tolerance, liquidity requirements, and the investment conditions. Maganda pong i-assess mabuti kung para saan ba talaga ang nilalaan nating pera sa mga instrumentong ito bago tayo maglagay dito. It always pays to consult with a licensed financial advisor who can explain and align your investment decisions with your personal objectives, risk appetite, and market conditions. In the end po, magandang tandaan that diversification is still key to successful investing. So there you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan kayong muli sa simpleng video na ito. If you have friends or relatives who who might be interested in these kinds of contents, we hope you can share this video with them. And for those who haven't pa din po, please also like this video and subscribe to our social media accounts, Ramfer Financials. Dahil habang lumalaki po ang ating community, that also means ay mas marami pa po tayong taong pwede pang matulungan. Again, this has been Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching, for your continued support, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless mga ka-RFF!